how to get your property ready to sell in 2025. Hey, Made in LA friends, are you thinking about selling your home in 2025 and want to maximize its value? Preparing your property can make all the difference between a quick, top dollar sale and a stressful, drawn out process. So, where should you start to ensure the best return on your investment? Hi, I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty. Let's talk about the key repairs and improvements that give you the most value when getting your home ready to sell. First, focus on the basics, repairs that matter the most to buyers. Fix leaky faucets, running toilets, squeaky doors, and windows that don't open smoothly. Don't forget to replace torn screens or worn out weather stripping. These low-cost fixes send a clear message that your home has been well maintained. Next, boost your curb appeal. Freshen up your exterior by repainting the front door and laying down new mulch or bark. First impressions matter, and these small touches can significantly enhance your home's perceived value. What about the bigger ticket items like kitchens and bathrooms? Kitchens are the heart of the home, and buyers love to see fresh, functional spaces. Updating cabinet hardware, installing energy-efficient appliances, or upgrading countertops are impactful changes. Did you know that minor kitchen updates can generate a return on investment of 80 to 90%? Bathrooms are another area where updates can make a difference. Replacing faucets, toilets, mirrors, or light fixtures can transform a bathroom and offer an ROI of 60 to 70%. Why does return on investment matter? It helps you prioritize improvements that will maximize your property value and put more money in your pocket. Getting your property ready to sell in 2025 does not have to be overwhelming. With the right steps and expert guidance, you can attract the right buyers and achieve the best possible results. Reach out to my team and me to talk about your goals, decide which improvements will have the most impact, and start preparing your home for sale today. I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, giving you your perfect home made in LA.